Namaskar. I am Manisha Sheel from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to say few words about my duty towards society in the present situation of COVID-19. In such a situation, in my opinion, this is the right time to remind the fundamental duties of a citizen. In this difficult time, we may remind ourselves that it is a fundamental duty of a citizen to promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, and probably this is an immediate need of the time. A good COVID-19 citizen is not only expected to wear a mask and observe social distancing, but also encourage others to do so. He should also, to the extent possible, support all government initiatives to tackle the pandemic. He is also expected to have the moral courage to report to the authorities about those who are knowingly or unknowingly attempting to derail the march towards victory over the coronavirus. Above all, I, as a citizen of India, take a pledge to get into the habit of standing in a queue, symbolically as well as physically. Not only now, but always and every time. As poet John Milton said, they also serve who only stand and wait. Now, some points that I will follow as a responsible citizen are: first, self-leadership. In particular, during COVID-19, I will use a form of self-leadership known as intelligent self-binding. Like Odysseus binding himself to the mast of his ship, this requires us to take the call to stay home. Seriously, setting up routines and rituals to make restricted living more comfortable. Practicing extra hygiene and stocking up on some basic supplies without panic buying is another element, while taking extra caution to maintain space around us. But it's also about reducing face-to-face interaction to an absolute minimum and limiting our use of public spaces. The second responsibility is personal responsibility. It is my personal responsibility that I should stay at home whenever and wherever possible, as isolation is a key component of any pandemic fight. Act fast, isolate, break up social clustering. Next is awareness. We have to spread the right awareness in our dosti, family, XYZ, etc. 24 into 7 WhatsApp group with the right information about the virus, as WhatsApp social media groups always have as much as traffic on our roads. So, let's spread the right music among our acquaintances during this situation. Every religious activity has been on halt in view of coronavirus outbreak. Still, if we see any of the gathering around, it's our responsibility to guide and report if required. The outbreak of coronavirus has also affected the mental health of humans, as everyone reacts differently to stressful situations. So, in this hour of stress, anxiety, let's spread the right knowledge, right news, right rumors, values, and ensure them that we are going to win this battle. To understand better, it is not the coronavirus which is dangerous, but it is the quick spread which is a threat. Let us do our part and participate in this battle by staying at home. At last, I want to thank this organizing committee which gave me the platform to express my opinion. Thank you. Thank you very much.